Hello, All Stars. It's Mrs. Graham. It's time for a number corner. Let's check on our calendar for the day. We're in the brand new month of October, so it's a brand new calendar. I wonder what we'll see on our calendar for the first day of November, November 1st, 2021. Here we go. What do you think it will be? Wait a minute. Did I just see what I thought I saw? One whole cookie? Well, let me zoom in. Is that what that was? I guess it is. One whole cookie. Interesting information. Remember, we will use this to help us throughout the entire month. We are now going to focus on our calendar collector, where we're going to collect items throughout the entire month. This month, we're going to focus on telling time. Yes, telling time does have a lot to do with math. It's all about math. So we're going to add 1 hour to our clock. And the type of clock you see in front of you is called an analog clock. Can you say analog? Good job. An analog clock has hands on it. You'll see a little hand and a bigger hand. We call the little hand and big hand. That's what we call them. The little hand tells us the hour of the day. The big hand tells us how many minutes into the day. So we're going to add 1 hour to our clock. I'll grab my pencil and I'm going to draw the big hand and the little hand. So my little hand is showing that the time on our clock is 1 o'clock, which matches this card that I've pulled out. Something else that we're going to do is pull out another way to show the same time, and that is called a digital clock. So this digital clock does not have hands on it. It does not have a big hand or a little hand. It just has numbers. In your homes, in the places you visit, in the stores that you're in, you may see a clock that is an analog clock where it has the hands, the big hand and the little hand, or you may see a digital clock. The time on our clock is 1 o'clock. Let me show you how that is written on the bottom of our clock. 1 for the 1 o'clock hour and 0, 0 minutes. This is how we write 1 o'clock. We're going to have activities throughout the entire month where you will get to practice this information. What I'd like to do right now is add another day in school for us. We have been together now. We're adding on another day. Wow. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42 days together. Incredible. Incredible. Let's do a few things. We're going to erase all of this. We'll write the number 42. And then we're going to say that 42, I'll go back to our chart that we just saw, has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 10 and 2 ones. So we're going to say it has 4 10s and 2 ones. Can you think of a math fact that would equal the number 42? I'm thinking 40 plus 2. I'm also thinking of, wow, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2. Let's count that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 2. 42. Great job, All Stars. Have a good day.